Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to share with you all a trade I took on EU for 10 hours approximately. And this trade is a good example of how you can trade the accumulation, manipulation and distribution. So let's start with 1 hour time frame. As you guys can see, the price made a higher high, and I was expecting price to take out the low of last week's Friday before going any further up. So I usually check 4 hour and daily time frame once a week to see where the price is most likely to go. Price usually gravitates toward liquidity pools, and where can you expect the most amount of stops? Right below this low. So let's go down to the lower time frame and see how I took this entry. As you guys can see, the price was moving sideways during Asian session, and there was buy side liquidity above and sell side liquidity below the Asian session. So this is the consolidation phase, and it is called accumulation. Here the price is engineering liquidity to be taken out later during the London and the New York session. In this case, the manipulation happened during the London Open, and the distribution happened during the rest of the day. Just hold on, let me show you my entry. So this was my first entry. The reason I entered here was, you can see the price first took out the Asian high liquidity, and before taking out Asian high liquidity, the price first gave a fake BOS and taking out the initial sellers in the market. Then the price came down and broke a minor structure to the downside and engineered, let me delete this, and engineered some liquidity to fake traders into a buy right over here. But the price came up once again and took me out, and I took a loss over here. Then I entered again right above this high. You can see a wick going right above this high. Price first took out this high, came back down again, broke the internal structure, and again you can see the engineered some liquidity to fake traders into a buy. So I entered right above this high, and my break-even point was below this low. So I'm basically risk-free on this trade at this point when the price broke below this low. I took 80% of my partials below this low, and the remaining 20% right below this liquidity pool. It was a total approximately 10-hour trade. Should always pay yourself by taking some sort of partials. I usually take out most of my position at the nearest liquidity pools, because price can anytime reverse on you and take you out. This is one of the prime setup I take. I take this setup 10 out of 10 times. And guys, watch this again and again to understand the story behind the trade, and you can easily get this setup 3 to 4 times a week on GU and EU alone. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to address. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.